G'day guys, just thought we'd take a quick look at the putting together of the Expedition box and how that looks, because when you order one of these, or if you order one of these, they will come in a box, but probably in 3 separate components, and you'll be required to put them together. So how they come is obviously the tub, the lid, and a couple of latches. You will see here the hooks on the lid correspond with these hinge points here, and you've got to get those on at the right angle. So there's a matter of lining them up. It's about that angle. They basically put it on a firm surface and just give it a good, come in from a bit of an angle there, give it a good push down with your hand, with your palm of your hand, and then do the second one, and lastly the third one, and that's really all it takes. When you close the box, due to the new seal that's in them, the weather seal, the box will spring open a little bit. It's just going to sit proud until that seal compresses. Next thing is putting on the latches. And these latches have got a very similar system to the hinge, and all you have to do is the same theory. Line them up, put them on a bit of an angle, and push down on one side, and then they'll snap down like that. One end first, and then snap down the other end. Then you're good to go. Seal it down. She's good as gold. Lastly, if you do want to get them off, it's just the same process in reverse. Just start at one end and just pull it up and keep coming, and it'll pop off.